What's up everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel. My name is Francis, I started 4 years in Ukraine, and on this channel I'm gonna be sharing my experience in Ukraine, tutorials about drone, and talking about overall conventional modern warfare. Also check out our website, there is some nice merch on our website, go do some shopping. Join our Patreon, we have a full course on how to do kamikaze drone on our Patreon, so if you want to support, it's a good way. Otherwise, welcome, please subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and enjoy the video, guys. Cheers. Alright, so today we're gonna be looking at the video US Marines train with attack drones and snipers in the Philippines. I already watched it, I just recorded, but of course it was not recording when I did it, so now I need to do it once again. So now I'm recording, audio's good, everything's good, so let's get into it, guys. Man, I miss working as a sniper in Ukraine, man, it was great. Wake up with the boys, with your team, go to the range, shoot all day, go back to the safe house, go to the gym.
It should be 0.2 right.
And in Zaporizhzhia there's like a beach, so we will go train on the beach and stuff. Yeah, it was good time.
Nikki, I know what it is.
So they are actually tying up balloons on target, so it's good because you instantly see if you hit, so that's good, man. Okay, now the drones. So in Ukraine we have kamikaze and bombers. On my Patreon we have a full course on how to assemble a kamikaze drone. If you are interested, go check it out.
Right down? Negative. No.
Listen, please.
Well, it's never gonna be. So in a perfect.
So a drone with the legs. This one is a, well, they will use it as a kamikaze. They will make it detonate. So they're gonna lose the whole drone. But yeah, with the legs, you can install legs if you want. Kamikaze in Ukraine, we don't use legs. We just sit the drone somewhere and attach the payload from there. But yeah, the legs, we see legs as mainly for droppers. But just because it had some weight, and you can, like, if you can ditch the legs to have more payload, or maybe fly more far. I mean, it's a good compromise.
World, you could theoretically do it with two.
You have a Sylvan, turn it on.
I'm gonna be, now I'm ordering the parts, but I wanna do like a tutorial on how to assemble a dropper, like a bomber FPV drone. The problem is the parts that we use in Ukraine, like, cannot ship that to Canada, so I'm gonna need to find other solutions. You should try to hit the card to see. This guy is reading.
On the right side.
Yes, the first.
Oh, using Fat Shark.
Battery check good.
Very good.
Good readback, dude.
Look at that.
Our conversation. He just sat down here with me.
Controller. It's T16, T161 Z Super.
Yeah, I was there listening. I left the throw.
Very, very good.
This gap ringer between. Evidently.
It's a good day of training, man. Snipers, drones. It's a pretty cool job.
It's not.
Specific driver, I'm going to brief him separately, but he
Our biggest concern is the location of it. You guys are doing a fantastic job, and I'm not telling you that to get in your head. Develop this process for the entire Marine Corps.
An SBZ, assuming there's been the purest gun target line well in place potentially of the near. Does that make sense? We know people around here will try.
Let me know when it's good.
You're supposed to be going over there.
The Vortex rangefinder. I still have mine from Ukraine.
One, 5, over.
Moving to load. Good. Alright, you're dead.
0 seconds to launch. Direction 0, 6.
Check him. Go. Green.
All switches on safe. Controllers grounded.
Come on. That's Steve counted down. Clear me.
Oh, look at that. Boom. Let's watch this one last time. Oh. Yeah, so like few different ways to do that. Like in Ukraine, we see a lot of like FPV drones just like hitting the target, and just the fact of hitting target is gonna make it detonate. But there is also the option with on the controller to make the drone detonate by switching a switch on the controller. So this guy like detonated above the target, so I mean still hit the target, but the target have like shrapnel and stuff. Probably did not kill the. If it was a real human, most likely did not kill him. But I mean, it's perfect. Boom. It's crazy that they have the budget to train and to just like detonate and lose a whole drone just like that, right? And probably are using a lot. Man, like I'm fundraising for FPV drones for Dogs of Freedom, and man, it's so hard, man. For every single drone, it's so hard to raise the money. And I cannot just think about just destroying it for training. It's like, yes, no, thank you, man. Our drones are has to hit real target, not gonna be detonated for training, unfortunately. So yeah, man, it's good to see Marines training. I'm seeing a lot of people like on Reddit and stuff that are saying like, yeah, my contract is gonna be ending soon, looking to go to Ukraine, right? And that's exactly the way to do it. I mean, yeah, you can keep serving, but like you're gonna be like training in other countries. Like you're not gonna be having any real life combat drone combat experiences. You will only be training. So it's perfect for those who want to get into it. Those who want like drone warfare in Ukraine, you don't get that opportunity to of learning this anywhere in the world, and it's a huge asset and it's a huge advantage, right? Like 6 months to a year in Ukraine, and like you have more combat experience than like someone who's done maybe 20, 25 years in a NATO country, let's say like since Afghanistan, like unless you are like special force, right? I mean, it's like US is at war against Iran, but okay, the Marines are boarding ships, but there's no like infantry on the ground, or like there's no combat mission. Like maybe they are on the ground, but just conducting training. They are there on standby, but lots of soldiers are tired of just be sitting around not doing anything, and are looking to come to Ukraine. So I think it's a very good idea, man. And man, like come to Ukraine a few years, then you can always go back to the U.S. military after, and teach what you wanna, what the lessons that you have, right? So guys, thank you for watching. That's all I have for today, and stay safe. Peace.